Hey there! My name is Lakshmi Kanth, and today we're diving into an exciting topic, variables in Python. But first, let's talk about data. How do humans understand data? We get it as numbers, letters, and words, right? But machines? They only understand binary, zeros and ones, like 0101010101. So, how do we store data like John, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or true, a Boolean value? We store them in something called variables. Think of a variable as a temporary storage space, a container where you can keep your values for later use. Let's say we create a variable called student and store data inside it. Simple, right? Now, variables come in two types: names or words, like student addresses, like 0x1089ab. Next up, we have arithmetic operations. Just like in math class, we can do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and more. For example, if we assign a equals 10 and b equals 20, then print a plus b will give us 30. Print a times b, that's 200. And print a slash b, you get 0.5. Now, let's play with division. Print 10 divided by 3 gives us 3, and print 10% 3 gives us the remainder, which is 1. Here's a cool one. Print 10 to the power of 3. That's 10 raised to the power of 3. The result is 1,000. We can also update variables like this. If x equals 10, then x equals x plus 3. And when we print x, the output will be 13. But wait, there's more. If we use x equals x plus 3, it means we're adding 3 again, so the output will now be 16. But what if we subtract? With x equals 3, it takes us back to 10. Easy, right? Let's get a little more advanced. If we say x equals 10 plus 3 times 2, Python follows the order of operations. Multiplication happens first, so we get 16. First, Python handles the exponent. 2 to the power of 2 is 4, then multiplies 3 by 4 to get 12, and finally adds 10, giving us an output of 22. Want to throw in some parentheses? Let's try. X equals open parenthesis, 10 plus 3, close parenthesis, times 2 squared. The parentheses force Python to add first. 10 plus 3 equals 13, then it squares 2. 2 to get 4, and finally multiplies 13 by 4, giving us an output of 52. And that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me for more Python tutorials.